Hey guys, it's Rhonda and it is May. So it is time to start thinking about what you should be creating now, getting ahead of things, preparing for upcoming seasons. And so we're going to talk a little bit now about what you should be working on now, what you should be putting away now. And let's jump right into it, all right? So I have the graphic here with things we should be listing right now, which is June 19th or Juneteenth, Father's Day items. They should be listing now. Summer solstice, the start of summer, we want to list products for that stuff now. Canadian Multiculturalism Day, if you created products for that, you want to get them up now. And National Social Media Day, June 30th, you want to get those up now. And, if you're still working on a few of them, that's fine. There's some ideas here. You could do for Social Media Day, you could do content creator planner pages, social media icons and clip art bundles, influencer quote PNGs. You can do all kinds of stuff. All right. But these are the things you want to be listing now. That means if you're still working on Mother's Day designs, stop, put them away. It's time to move on. All right. Now, the summer, June, July, and August are full of a lot of national days, different celebration days. There's not a whole lot of holidays going on. So there's a lot of little things we can focus on, a lot of fun national days that people celebrate, and they may want some printables for it or clip art for it, or any kind of digital product. So what we should be designing now is, keep in mind, July 1st is Canada Day, and then July 4th is Independence Day here in the US. So we definitely want to be focused on those two things right away. We want to start listing them like ASAP. For Canada Day, you can do things like maple leaf clip art bundles, again, patriotic sublimation designs, Canada-themed party printables. For the U.S., for Independence Day on July 4th, fireworks, clip art, seamless patterns, things like that. Again, patriotic sublimation PNGs. You can really jump on that one this year because it's our 250th anniversary or 250th birthday. So there's a lot of designs focusing on the 250, things like that. So keep that in mind. Then we have World Chocolate Day on July 7th. Now, everybody loves chocolate. So you want to start working on those. You want to get them listed pretty quick. I mean, there's still a little time, but you want to get your designs out and listed as soon as possible for these that are happening in the beginning of July. So for World Chocolate Day, you could do things like dessert clip art bundles, chocolate quotes or puns, digital papers focused on, chocolate treats, things of that nature. Then July 11th is World Population Day. So you could make things, like global awareness printables, earth-themed clip art, educational infographics, stuff like that for World Population Day. July 17th is World Emoji Day. You could be doing emoji clip art packs, funny text messages for sublimation PNGs, sticker sets, things like that, all right? Those are other fun things. Then, let's see, on July 18th, we have Nelson Mandela Day. So that would work with like inspirational quote clip art or inspirational wall art, activism themed clip art, empowerment printables, things of that nature for Nelson Mandela Day. July 30th is International Friendship Day. So think of things like best friend quotes, friendship bracelet clip arts, matching shirt bundles for best friends. Then next is August 1st is National Girlfriend Day. So you could do cute couple clip art, romantic quote PNGs, love-themed seamless papers. Think Valentine's Day only in the summer. And then I see Civic Holiday for Canada on August 3rd. So you want to start designing for that. which would be summer long weekend printables, camping clip art, outdoor adventure type stuff. And next is International Cat Day. Again, cats are always popular, so you can't go wrong designing for something like this. You know, cat clip art bundles, funny cat quote, sublimation designs, pet lover sticker packs, things of that nature. Then we have National Sisters Day is also at the beginning of August. So think sister quotes, matching sibling shirt designs. I would go funny, humorous type of stuff. Family clip art sets. And then we have National Root Beer Day. Again, you know, that's a big thing. Everybody, a root beer float day. I'm sorry, I misread that. Root beer float day. So that's even better, right? Ice cream and root beer. So do things like retro soda clip art, vintage dessert PNGs, summer drink patterns, you know, all featuring, you know, root beer floats and stuff like that. Back to school season starts the beginning of August as well. So start designing for that. It's never too early to get your back to school items up. Teacher planner printables, clip art bundles for school themed supplies, stuff like that. Student sticker packs. You know, there's so many different ways you can go. NFL preseason starts at the beginning of August as well. NFL football is huge, and it's not just huge in the US, it's huge everywhere. So start working on your football themed designs, you know, football clip art, game day PNG designs, sports fan sets. I just want to stress the fact that do not, whatever you do not make team named designs, all right? I cannot think of a corporation or an entity or a company that is as strict with protecting their trademark as the NFL is. The only one I can think of that's even remotely in the same ballpark with being vigilant on their trademark is Disney, okay? You don't want to mess with the NFL. They will catch you. They will make you take it down. You can get in trouble. So don't make specific teams. You can make designs that have team colors, okay? But you do not want to make anything where somebody's going to look at that and think that it could possibly be a logo or a team. You just don't do it. All right. You can make football themed graphics, but you don't want to infringe on the NFL's trademarks. All right. Just not a good idea. Cannot stress that enough. All right. And then on August 9th, we have National Book Lovers Day. So think reading themed clip art, book quotes for wall arts and printables, cozy library aesthetic, digital papers, things like that. They'll always be popular. Don't forget, as always, you know, always list your items at least 45 to 60 days ahead of time. I'd prefer to go even closer to, you know, 60 to 90 days out if you can. If you have them designed, get them up. It doesn't matter how early it is. Some of the trending styles we have going on right now are like retro groovy 70s typography, your whimsical and hand-drawn doodle art. Still, the soft boho neutrals are very popular. The bold, minimal line icons and doodle style drawings, they are very popular right now. I'm seeing some pastel gothic aesthetic going on as well. And of course, you know, your vintage collage and scrapbook style is always popular. And if you have designed for all the holidays and events you want to design for, there's always evergreen niches that will keep you busy all year long. We have, you know, coffee lovers. They are always popular. You can, in fact, take some of these evergreen items here at the bottom and cross niche these with some of these events, okay? You could take, you know, coffee lovers and combine it with National Sisters Day. Pet moms and dog lovers, combine that with a holiday or an event day coming up. Self-care and mental health, that's evergreen. You can sell that all year long. combine that with back to school season with things for teachers and stuff like that. Farmhouse home decor, like rustic quote printables, seasonal farmhouse signs, shiplap style digital papers. Those are usually always popular. You could pair them with your book lovers day, with your reading theme clip art. There's so many ways to take these evergreen ideas and cross niche them with these one-time events. Same way with the nature and outdoors. You're thinking florals, camping themed. So you can cross niche some of these evergreens into these one-off holidays and, make things even a little bit more interesting. Okay. So that's what you guys should be working on right now. Okay. Definitely start thinking about your back to school season, your NFL season, things like that are coming up. It's almost time to start designing for Halloween. How about that, right? But for now, focus on some of these one-off international days over the summer. Camping is always popular to do in the summer. Summer vacations, I know we went over a lot of that last month, so I don't want to, just keep repeating the same things each month. So I try to find different stuff that, is far enough in advance that you could create for it. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And I guess I will see you next month when we do this again.